friends and family. It is Saturday. It's a rainy day, so I say, let me get some videos filmed for y'all. I went back out in them streets. I was doing good, but I go out 2 days and I just lose my mind. I hadn't been in the stores in so long, so I did visit Family Dollar at the recommendation of a friend. But I have some things I want y'all to be on the lookout for. Again, Family Dollars is doing a lot of clearancing. And it's some things out there that you might want to go look out for. So, to my gardening people, they have bare root starts. They have seed potatoes. So I won't put this up for Saturday, sorry. But there are 2 Mary Washington asparagus. See that? 2 for $2. There is a root in here, and I already have like a barrel planter with my 1 big asparagus, but I'm going to add to it so that maybe when the asparagus season rolls around again, we'll have enough to eat 3 times out that barrel and kind of actually get to eat more than 1 or 2 asparagus at a time down here in Zone 9A, Florida. So then, okay, there's my Tractor Supply receipt. So if you haven't checked it, or soon to be uploaded, Tractor Supply too. Check out that short that I did too. So we have red Norland seed potatoes. They give you 3 seed potatoes with a good little bit of eyes on them, at least 1 eye. And it's 3 of them in here for $2. And they do include instructions on the back if you're new to planting potatoes. Glad I was able to find my receipts. So I bought 2 of the red Norland seed potatoes. Now, I will say that not all Family Dollars have this. This was in the most unlikely hood location versus I go to the country location, the rural location, and I find none. I don't know if maybe they came out and they bought the whole box or what. But for $2, just for a nice I guess maybe that's the reason. For a backyard, farm in a neighborhood that doesn't have restrictions. Maybe that was the line of thinking based on where I found these. Now they were almost out, but I will tell you these were on the Lem Turner store near Sutel in Jacksonville. But they may almost be out because I know this was the last asparagus. And my friend actually bought me some seed potatoes. So that wasn't all. So we got asparagus, red potatoes, and we also have the white potatoes. The Yukon Gold. Yukon Gold. You get 3 seed potatoes. Now they are full of eyes. So yeah. 3 for $2. So that's not bad. Even though you can chit your own potatoes. And it says outdoors by design. Early summer to fall. It says GMO free. It doesn't say organic. But it says GMO free, bee friendly, winter hardy. So just to have enough for a little backyard garden. For $2. Versus buying a whole sack from the standard feed for $10. So if you don't have anybody to go in with, that would be a good option. But again, that was the only store. I've been to 4 stores, 3 or 4 stores, and only 1 had them. So maybe some are getting it in, maybe some will never get them. Don't know the method to Family Dollar Madness? Maybe you can go on their website, search seed potatoes, and see if anybody in your local area has them. I don't recommend you wasting your gas, though. But I just want to let you know they there. So they are also doing a lot of clearance clothing. And I wear a Family Dollar shirt. I ain't got no problem with that. So this shirt was probably like more like $3 instead of $4. Let me see. Yeah, this was a $3 shirt. Okay, I see it. $3 shirt. Decent enough. I've been finding shirts there for $1, $2, $3. Clothes for $1, $2, $3. Kids clothes, kids shoes for $1, $2, $3. Don't knock these Family Dollar stores. The Family Dollar Dollar Tree combos. I do have a haul. I'll link it above. You might want to check that out. That's where I found the dollar clothes for kids. I've even bought, well, I had a haul where I bought 50-cent clothes too. 50-cent clothes from Dollar General though. So, they even walk around, when you walk around in the Family Dollar, I'm sorry, I was unprepared for y'all. I'm sorry. But I wanted to get this sticker off to show you what to be on the lookout for. Because we already ate what I had the sticker on. But if you see that, check it out. They had some payday bars that were expiring this month. So they were 70 cents instead of the regular $1.40. So I got a couple of those. Well, one of those. But that could go in this month's Easter baskets, no problem. And without the melting issues. So if your store has that available, be on the lookout. They also have the Hershey's bars and these 3 for $3, so $1 a piece, cheaper than the $1.25 tree. And these are the big cups. So I have a bunch of shorts with the Easter baskets I've done. I still have one more to do. Cause my own want. I say, do you really want one? He said, yeah. I say, what you want me to put in it? He told me. So I bought it, and I'm going to do it. I just love that he ain't out here doing what he shouldn't be doing. So it's all good. And there's nothing wrong with him. He's not slow, but his mama been loving on him, and she going to keep loving on him. Okay, so this is not... I'm trying to make sure I got all the Family Dollar stuff. Just in case you want to see something new from the liquor store next door. I bought this. This will be good for an Easter basket for an adult. But this is banana pudding cream moonshine from Old Smoky. And they sell them in the minis for $3. So you can taste it before you buy the big one. They also had Midnight Moon milkshake cookies and cream. And this was $3. That sounds delicious. I think I want to make some coffee drinks. I had another idea in my head I won't share just in case I actually do it. And I actually should have got 2 of these. I should have got some plain of these. But they also have peanut butter Old Smoky Tennessee whiskey, peanut butter whiskey. So I'm gonna embellish the bar with these until I drink them, because I want to try to make a coffee drink out of these. That just looks good. That would add so much amazing flavor. One of them may happen tomorrow, but so that was just something that was in the bag that I said I just share. But I hope you like this video. Be on the lookout for those seed potatoes, asparagus roots at Family Dollar. Check your stores for your garden. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, so if you caught my haul in a minute, you know that they had 50% off DVDs. So make sure you're watching them ring your stuff. Make sure you're watching them ring your stuff. Make sure you're watching them ring your stuff and paying attention. These were half off. This is the collection 1 through 4, 5 through 8. The collection. The only thing is missing is 9 and 10. 4, half off. So it was $7.50 a piece. $15 for the 4. Whole franchise, 8 movies for $15. Love it in this compactness. You know, if you watch me, you know one of my preferred supplies is DVDs. Cable go out. Internet go out. Hopefully you still have electricity. DVD player. DVDs. If you don't have electricity, you can do solar and have a movie night. But I'm just letting you know. Don't get rid of your DVDs and don't get rid of your DVD player. If I put them in the back of a closet. Shoot, sometimes I want to watch these movies and every streaming platform I have wants to charge for it. And I'm like, no, wait. Not paying for it. So, that is all for today. Prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed potato from Family Dollar. I love you for life. I love you to life. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.